Hidden flaws of the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate. 1. Fuel efficiency. The Yukon Denali Ultimate's large V8 engine offers impressive power but results in poor fuel economy, especially compared to hybrid or electric alternatives. 2. High price tag. Positioned as the top-tier trim, the Denali Ultimate is expensive. For its price, some competitors offer more advanced features or better value. 3. Handling and maneuverability. Its size and weight make it cumbersome to drive in urban environments or tight spaces, reducing overall convenience. 4. Tech glitches. The advanced infotainment and driver assist systems are complex and may experience occasional bugs or lag. 5. Ride comfort on rough terrain. Despite its premium suspension, the Yukon can sometimes struggle to deliver a smooth ride on uneven roads, failing to fully meet luxury SUV expectations. 6. Maintenance and repair costs. The high-end features, including advanced suspensions and luxury interior materials, may lead to expensive repairs and maintenance. 7. Limited off-road capability. Though equipped with off-road modes, the Yukon Denali Ultimate is more tailored to luxury than rugged terrain, making it less competitive with off-road focused SUVs. 8. Interior space versus competitors. Despite its size, some competitors offer better utilization of interior space, particularly in the third row and cargo area.